Teacher just wanna introduce you guys a new English books named Law of Human Natures by Robert Greene. Laws of Human Natures mean in Khmer ក្រឹតក្រមអច្បាប់នៃធម្មជាតិរបស់មនុស្ស written by Robert Greene or Robert Greene is the author អ្នកនិពន្ធគឺលោក Robert Greene. This book is very indispensable for your consideration because there are in this book it says there are seven life applicable lessons that we can learn from it. So I recommend all the students buying this book if you can find or if this book is available in Phnom Penh or elsewhere in the Kingdom of Cambodia. So without further ado, I read first and then I provide a short translations at the end of my clip later. The Law of Human Natures by Robert Greene is a book that explores human behavior and and psychology, offering valuable insights into understanding and interacting with people. Here are 7 life applicable lessons from the book. Number 1. Self-awareness is the key. Greene emphasizes the importance of self-awareness. Understanding your own emotion, bias, and behavior is the first step to understanding and influencing the behavior of others. It's crucial for personal growth and effective interpersonal relationship. Number 2. Master your emotional response. Greene discusses the concept of emotional self-control. Learning to manage your emotional reactions to various situations allow you to make better decisions and maintain healthier relationships. It's a critical skill in both personal and professional life. Number 3. See people for who they are. The book advises seeing people as they truly are, not as you wish them to be. Understanding their desire, fear, and motivation enable you to connect with them on a deeper level and build more genuine relationships. Number 4. Understanding the shadow. Greene គឺជាឈ្មោះរបស់អ្នកនិពន្ធណាពួកគាត់មានឈ្មោះថា Robert Greene ចឹង Greene នេះគឺជាឈ្មោះរបស់គាត់ Greene explore the idea that everyone has a shadow aspect of their personality that they hide or deny. Recognizing the shadow in yourself and others can help you navigate conflicts and understand why people behave the way they do. Number 5. Develop empathy. Empathy is a crucial skill for understanding and influencing people. Greene discusses various techniques for developing empathy and improving your ability to relate to others on an emotional level. Number 6. Master the art of persuasion. The book delves into strategies for influencing and persuading people to your point of view. Greene provides insight into how to appeal to others' self-interest, values, and desires. Number 7. Work on your social intelligence. Social intelligence is the ability to navigate complex social situations effectively. It is a skill that can be developed, and Greene offers practical advice on improving it, which is invaluable in building successful personal and professional relationships. The Law of Human Natures is a comprehensive guide to understanding human behavior, and its principle can be applied to various aspects of life, from personal relationship to leadership and professional success. The book encourages self-improvement and provides practical tools for becoming more emotionally intelligent and effective in your interaction with others. This book provides insights into understanding and interacting with others. ចឹងនៅក្នុងសៀវភៅដែលលោកគ្រូបានអានឲ្យមិញនេះគឺជាការសង្ខេបខ្លឹមសារជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសហើយដែលអ្នកនិពន្ធគេបានផ្ដល់ឲ្យយើងបើយើងអាចរកសៀវភៅនេះបានយើងរកអានទាំងអស់គ្នាសៀវភៅនេះមានឈ្មោះជាថ្មីម្ដងទៀតខ្លីៗណាគឺក្រឹតក្រមនៃធម្មជាតិរបស់មនុស្សឬច្បាប់នៃធម្មជាតិរបស់មនុស្សមានមេរៀនចំនួន7ជាមេរៀនដែលយើងអាចអនុវត្តបានក្នុងជីវិតទី1គឺ self awareness មានន័យថាត្រូវរៀនសូត្រខ្លួនឯងជាប្រចាំទី2 master your emotional response ត្រូវចេះគ្រប់គ្រងលើការឆ្លើយតបដោយអារម្មណ៍របស់យើងទី3 see people for who they are ឃើញមនុស្សទៅតាមប្រភេទរបស់មនុស្សទី4 understanding the shadow នេះយើងបកថាមលុបប៉ុន្តែនៅទីនេះមានន័យថាយើងស្វែងយល់អំពីអត្តចរិតនិងទស្សនៈរបស់គេទី5 develop empathy មានន័យថាត្រូវអភិវឌ្ឍឲ្យមានការណិតសូរការសង្គ្រោះការស្រឡាញ់ទី6 master art of persuasion ត្រូវមានជំនាញនៅក្នុងការបញ្ចុះបញ្ចូល ធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យគេស្ថិតនៅក្រោមឥទ្ធិពលរបស់យើងនិយាយទៅឲ្យគេស្ដាប់ទី7ត្រូវ work on your social intelligence យើងមើលទៅលើបញ្ញាឬភាពវាងវៃរបស់យើងផ្នែកសង្គមថាយើងប្រកែកខាងអីយើងធ្វើការនៅលើវិស័យហ្នឹងបន្តមកទៀតគេបានសរុបមកថាសៀវភៅ Law of Human Nature នេះគឺជាសៀវភៅមួយគ្រប់ជ្រុងជ្រោយដែលអាចអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យយើងយល់បានអំពីអត្តចរិតរបស់មនុស្សនិងគោលការណ៍ដែលអាចអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យយើងយកទៅអនុវត្តពីបុគ្គលម្នាក់តំណែងតំណងពីបុគ្គលម្នាក់រហូតដល់ខ្លាយទៅជាបុគ្គលដែលមានភាពជាអ្នកដឹកនាំនិងភាពទទួលបានជោគជ័យជាលក្ខណៈវិជ្ជាជីវៈអញ្ចឹងលោកគ្រូគិតថាសៀវភៅនេះល្អហើយបើសិនណាជាអាចរកបានកូនសិស្សរកទិញណារកទិញយកមកអានទៅបាទសៀវភៅគឺជាទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិហើយពីព្រោះកាលណាយើងមានចំណេះដឹងច្រើនយើងខ្លាចជាមនុស្សមួយដែលមានតម្លៃក្នុងសង្គមគុណធម៌សមត្ថភាពសិលធម៌ចំណេះដឹងទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិលក្ខណៈអញ្ចឹងកុំភ្លេចណាបើសិនណាបើមានពេលអាចរកសៀវភៅនេះបានរកសៀវភៅនេះហើយបើលោកគ្រូឃើញសៀវភៅអីល្អៗដែលគេបានបង្ហោះនៅក្នុងបណ្ដាញសង្គមផ្សេងដទៃទៀតលោកគ្រូនឹងយកមកចែករំលែកបន្តទៀតឲ្យណាអូខេ good night